Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram chat theme back to the default. If you've changed your chat theme and want to return to the original, classic look, this guide is just for you. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app and go to the chat you want to reset. Tap on the person's name or the info icon at the top of the screen to open the chat settings. Next, tap on Theme or Chat Theme. Here, you'll see a variety of themes you've used or can choose from. To go back to the default look, scroll down and select Classic or Default. Keep in mind, the name may vary depending on the version of Instagram you have. And here's a quick 2025 update. In the latest versions, Instagram may not show a default theme right away. If that happens, just tap and hold the current theme or look for a reset option. It might be called Remove Theme or Reset to Default. Tap that and you're all set. Your chat theme is now back to the original look. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.